root of the word spirit, spiritus, means to breathe. I recently did a TEDx seminar, and I said to the group, I don't want to motivate you, I want to inspire you. I want to help you inspire others. Inspirare, to breathe into. Breath is fundamental. We know this, obviously, functionally as human beings. We cannot exist without breathing. It's part of the autonomic nervous system. But in mastery, it's not just what we do, it is the quality of how we do it. So, for example, take a breath and exhale. So, as we enter the experience of breathing and vocal awareness, it begins with understanding, first and foremost, structure. Structure does not impinge, it liberates. Freedom without direction is chaos. As I sit in stature, and I'm going to enable you to do that now as well. We pull a thread from 3 inches below our navel. That's where core begins. Slowly, gracefully, right up through the top of the crown chakra. And we don't stop here. We actually continue pulling. And you will notice as you do so, a wonderful breath is engaged. A loving breath, actually, but more on that in a moment. And we stay in stature. If, as you acquire this ability, you want actually to lie down and meditate or tone, as we will learn in a bit as well, that's perfectly acceptable, though it may cause you to fall asleep, but if that is your goal, that's fine. Even in lying down, we can pull this wonderful thread and still be in stature, releasing all tongue, jaw, neck, shoulder tension, and just feel an internal, external alignment at all times. It's a wonderful balance that you can carry with you everywhere. Stature. And then as we breathe, take a nice deep breath in stature. And exhale. Now, take a conscious, loving breath in stature. With me in 3, 2, begin. And exhale. Now, aspirationally speaking, I hope you never breathe like that again. Rather, I want you to understand what I refer to in vocal awareness as a conscious, loving breath. For your breath isn't only physical, it is also emotional. And this breath enables the integration of mind, body, spirit. Not simply intellectually, but organically, in the very sinews of who we are, to the quality of how we breathe. So we get back into stature in case we drifted away. And this time I'm going to add a connection to the first ritual, which is to say thank you to God. Thank you to Source. Or if you prefer, merely a deep, abiding thank you. And notice the body inhales and your space is quieter. And now I'm going to count you in a moment from 5 to help you breathe in what I call a conscious loving breath. It is the ritual of vocal awareness, which actually states, please allow a slow, silent, conscious loving breath and enjoy it while you do so. So here we go. Release, thread, source in 5, Slowly, 3, totally silent, deeper, deeper, and exhale. Notice the chest did not rise. Notice the intercostals, your rib cage actually expanded. You feel quieter inside. Your external space also feels quieter. We are changing energy to the quality of a breath. Let's do it again. Stature, source. Allow silent, conscious, loving breath. Silent, slow. Watch the initiation of it. Do not rush it, please. In 5, neck, shoulders loose. 4, so loving. 3, 2. This next breath we will activate through our nostrils. Though I will not be teaching pranayama in this course, it particularly comes into play in pranayama. Alternate nostril breathing. We tend to do it too rapidly. In vocal awareness through the conscious loving breath, it is so slow. It actually can make it a bit challenging. But it is the purpose of the pranayama in part, to engage really in a focused way. Slow, silent, loving breath, not just too rapidly. That's not the point. So, here we are in stature. Source. Through our nostrils. Beginning in 5, 4, 3, 2, lovingly begin. So slowly, deeper, deeper. And exhale. So as I close this segment of the course, please don't rush away when you're done. Stay present with the breath a moment or two afterwards. Try 2 or 3 on your own. And just enjoy the experience of breathing in vocal awareness.